So this is a great opportunity. It's kind of like Y2K. So one of our problems in an organization our size is that we've generated a lot of applications over the years, but we really don't have a good process to get rid of applications. So this kind of forces that. In the 2005 BRAC, which we're executing in 11, we got to be done in September 15th of 11. We actually moved all 4-star headquarters in the Army are going to be moving this year. And that pretty significant BRAC move, you look at what's happening in the
absolutely.
Army. So BRAC has been a wonderful forcing function. As people move, they've had to do the portfolio management on their applications, and we were trying to move a lot of them to either private Army clouds or DISA clouds, and they've significantly reduced the number of applications as a forcing function. But there are some constraints here. The biggest constraint for a federal agency is the legislation on personal identifiable information, PII, right? So if you've got an application that has PII information on people, you've really got to keep that in private clouds or government clouds.
Right.
And so that's the first constraint. We were pretty excited when GSA worked with NIST and certified the Google Government Cloud, right? And we really see that's probably going to happen with other commercial organizations because that GSA certification said, okay, so now I can do PII information in the Google Cloud, right? And we see that's probably going to grow. The other constraint we got, so for all our outwardly facing apps that are engaging with the public, those are really good applications to put in commercial clouds. And that's where a sessions command is really leveraged Salesforce.com because that's an outwardly facing application they're using. It's about recruiting folks, and that's in a public cloud. And so those are the constraints. And the last one is it's based on provisioning, right? So although we're reducing the number of data centers very considerably, we know we're going to have data centers at post camps and stations near soldiers just for provisioning reasons.
Absolutely.
Right? And so we've got to have the architecture where I need provisioning close to the consumer and then where I can put it on that DISA backbone, either a government cloud or a private cloud or a commercial cloud, and still serve the users.
Yeah. So